Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. Well, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year. This is a holiday season we're not likely to forget anytime soon. But I'll tell you what, 2020 or not, I just love Christmas. And as a kid, obviously my favorite time of year for so many kids. But even now, as an adult, having kids, it's even better. We're just so much looking forward to this time with family, friends, and even though, of course, we're told to keep it to a minimum, that doesn't mean that we're not just going to have as much love and cheer as we possibly can this season. So I wish you and yours the best while we look forward to just a fantastic 2021. I'll say one thing, if there's anything to be grateful for 2020, is if you use Jetbuilt every day. We have just continued to add to the platform. We continue to build out Jetbuilt with powerful functionality and feature improvements, small and great. For example, early in 2020, in February, right before the ISE show in Amsterdam, back when we used to have shows, some of you might remember those, we launched Funnel, our sales CRM, to track your early stage leads, track, communicate with, show a timeline of conversations and notes and tasks, nurturing these leads along as they turn into projects. We're now moving into Office 365 email sync. That's been something that's been its own animal. You could sync other email types, but Office 365 is kind of its own beast. So we're doing that in the next week or two. So look forward to that. Also, more recently, we launched time tracking for the install platform, giving your team the ability to clock in and out on a daily basis into each project they're working on, including each labor category and type, so you can not only get the data you need for payroll, but you can now track your actual labor time and costs against your estimated labor time and costs for sake of improving estimating in the future. It's really exciting to see how Install Platform has grown up. Many of you who adapted it 2 years ago or so have just been requesting these types of improvements, and we're absolutely building that platform to just be as strong as it can be. So now between the project platform, funnel, and install, we're giving you this full project workflow, and we're just really excited about. So some of the things we're launching this week and early into next week. One is improvements to the API. Over the last couple of years, we've added to that API and the things you can do, the data points you can pull, but you have not yet been able to push records into Jetbuilt. And now for the first time, you can actually add records and add data to Jetbuilt through the API. Many of you just built some fantastic integrations. We've seen many of them on small scales and very large, and we're excited to see what more can be built through API. Another big feature is we're rolling out separate labor rates for each location. So we've had a lot of requests for this. Companies with maybe a headquarters in the middle of America, and they've got an office in New York City where labor could be significantly higher. Sharing those labor rates is not very efficient for them, and so they have to make additional categories to kind of cover that, let alone offices in one country and another set of offices in another country with different currencies. So we're now allowing each company location to build your own labor rates. I believe that's launched, or it's launching today or tomorrow. We've also added to our development team. We build everything in-house. We don't farm out any of our code, but we've added to that team. So in 2021, we're going to be able to build and manage even faster than we had to get through more of the needs that you guys present to us every day. And don't hesitate to continue doing that. So that kind of catches you up. We are so much looking forward to seeing you again in 2021 at the trade shows. We hear, at least at this point, there's going to be an InfoComm in Florida in June. We've already bought our booth there. We're looking forward to ISE in Spain. If that materializes, then of course CEDIA. It's just been a hard year not to be able to connect with so many of you. Many of you depend on those times to get together to kind of catch up on what's going on, learn about some things new, and just really say hi, because we're a small company that is very relational, and so we miss that, and we're so much looking forward to seeing you out there in 2021. Well, I guess that's about it. Have a fantastic holiday season. We will see you next time.